Ever wondered why we yawn? Even when we're not tired. Yawning is your brain's way of cooling down. When we're bored, stressed, or sleepy, our brain heats up. A big gulp of air during a yawn sends cool, oxygen-rich blood rushing to the brain, helping it relax and stay alert. That's why yawns are contagious too. Seeing someone yawn tricks your brain into thinking you need a cool down as well. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's AC at work. Follow for more cool science in 30 seconds.